You to load in there. YouTube's always the slowest. Why are you so slow, YouTube? Huh? It says stream finished. I'm just starting. I'm just starting. Come on, YouTube. Sorry, there we. Oh, it's connecting. Come on. Yay! 5 out of 5. Although, technically it's going to Discord, but actually I wonder, is it live in Discord? No, because I'm not streaming. No. That was funny, actually. No dice. Perfect. All right. So, this evening, tiny quality of life stuff. It's, how are you? Thanks for jumping in, man. You're first. Congrats on being first. I hope you're well, and I hope you're safe, because, I don't know, just a lot of bad news lately. Nothing like personal, just like, you know, global kind of crap. So I'm hoping everyone is not dealing with that in their own way. Sorry, old man yawned. Like I was saying, tonight, some small quality of life stuff. Some people... Oh, I'm okay too. I'm okay. I mean, everyone's affected, but I'm lucky enough to not be as affected as a lot of people. I'm like, you know, I'm able to work from home, and you know, because we live in a rural area, likelihood of, you know, problems aren't as high. So I've been lucky. At the very least, I can say that. So. Yeah, so quality life stuff, mini stuff. So some people have said that they've come across items or come across obstacles, for lack of a better term, that they're not sure what they're supposed to do. So I want to change the icon instead of a little arrow that bounces. I might change the icon to like a picture of the backpack, and I think I might actually put some text if I can make the text look appropriate. The hardest part is text sometimes doesn't look as resolute in the editor as it would in the build. So I don't know why that is, but it's very annoying. So I think I might have to do a test build. But I think I have an idea of what I want to do, and then I have another idea, which is a blatant ripoff of a AAA game, which I don't know. I might get called out for if I decide to do it. But I mean, if it makes sense, I'll try to do it. But if, you know, it's not needed. Valdez the Wiz, how are you? Thanks for jumping in. Just getting started. I'm just waiting. Oh, I never open up Visual Studio out of the gate. I don't know why. All right, there we go. I always forget. I always hate when it's loading. People are watching a piece of software load. Not that big of a deal, but I want all my ducks in a row. I want it to be ready to go, and I never am. So there we go. Perfect. That's up. Oh, it's good to hear. So I'm going to... I've mocked up a proof of concept, and I'm going to give it a go. I have to do a tiny bit of code, but I just want to see the final product first and tweak it a bit, and then I'll try to implement it as how I want to. And if I get it done and it looks good, then I'll leave it the way it is, and then I'll continue on with testing. I only have one more scene, well, scene and a half-ish to test. So we'll do that tonight as well. And after that, I got a small list. I got a lot more narrative and lore to add in, and still in the process of writing. Like when I write stuff. Oh, you did. Thanks, Valdez. I very much appreciate that. Yeah, I'm not sure where I should be focusing, but the whole point of me streaming this development work is not become, you know, a YouTube star or whatever. It's to actually get eyeballs on the project. So, and it's been good. I can't track it too in depth, but a lot of my Steam page traffic seems to have come from social media pages, DLive and YouTube and Facebook and all that jazz, and Twitch. Twitch is probably the biggest still, I think. I haven't looked at the numbers in a while, but so appreciate that. Thanks for subscribing. So let's jump in. And so this is kind of what I wanted to, I mean, this is a very crude mock-up. So you'll have the indicator still bouncing, and then you'll have this item or this use item bouncing along with it. The issue I'm having is I can't, like in the editor, the text looks slightly not fuzzy, but it doesn't look as crisp. But I've noticed in previous builds, the text is very crisp in the builds, but in the editor it's not, so it's hard to gauge. Oh, fair enough, Aldous. In a way, it kind of is for me as well. Like, I have a normal day job, and then this is, I mean, if I'm lucky, I usually get about maybe 10 hours, if I'm on a very, very rare good week, I'll get about 15 hours a week to work on it. That's why it's taking me this. I'm almost I'm very close to 2 years working on this thing, which if I was doing it full time, I would have gotten done. Well, if I was doing it full time and I had my scope properly scoped, or like, it probably would take me one and a half at most, probably one. But yeah, that's, you know, live and learn. Hobby's a hobby. You can't spend all the time doing it, or that it'd be a job. All right, so let's just see what this looks like real quick. I have a couple small things to set up. Let's just pop in. Dev Donut. Everyone hates singletons. I love singletons. I can definitely see where they'd be misused. Oh, there we go. Sorry, let's play from selected there, and let's move our play. Oh, yeah, move our player there. So this is the end. This is what it's supposed to look. So when you get close enough, the text will pop up. Now it's hard to read because I might put a background on the text, but let's see if I can like move it around like that. So again, it looks kind of fuzzy in the editor, but I think in the build that'll be more than fine. But it'll basically let the player know, hey, oh, thanks so much for the follow, man. Very much appreciate it. Random Dink. I love that name. Thanks so much, man. I think that text will be okay in the build. I wish there was a way. Can I sharpen this or something? What's my quality setting at, actually? I'm supposedly at high. Frame rate won't matter. So yeah, I'll have to test it out, but that's kind of what I was hoping for. Now, the problem I'm going to run into is if, like, say it's against like a white background, like it's really hard to see that. I mean, the player will eventually know what that is, but I'd like it to be crisp. So I might add an outline to that text, and I'm thinking I have to create another Text Mesh Pro asset, which is fine. So let's do that now. It's been a long time. Actually, what font did I use? Oh crap, what font did I use? It's been so long since I've done this. Slim Sans Serif. Well, let's just open it up anyway. Window, Text Mesh Pro, font asset creator. Oh god, font. What do I have in here for fonts? Oh shit. Do I have one called Slim? Oh, I do. Good. Now I'll just leave everything to auto size and hit generate. Now this shuts down. So I've had problems with Text Mesh Pro where I went to build a text asset and it crashed. So first, let me save Unity first. And if the stream goes down, you'll know why. Hopefully this doesn't take long. This is not so bad. Render mode. I wish I remembered all the. I wish I remembered the. What's the term I'm looking for? All the settings. These are just the default ones. Just curious what my CPU usage is. Let's take a look. This is taking a lot longer than I thought. Task manager. Performance. Oh, it's not using that much. It's only using the processors. Where's Unity? Oh, it's like using nothing. OBS is fucking... Oh, it's because OBS is recording. Okay, so not bad. It's just taking its sweet time. Well, I know I should have did this before the stream, but I didn't, so you're gonna have to bear with me. At least I'm not baking lights. I've actually decided I don't need to. Actually, I shouldn't say decide. I've determined that I don't need to bake any lights in my game. I mean, one of my, how do I say it? Blah, 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 blah. Oh, Gem. I'm gonna go with Gemlel. How are you? Thanks for jumping in. I didn't see your comment there, or your chat message. Yeah, so one of my online friends. His name's Vainbrain. He's always, I'm surprised he's not in actually, but he's running a very old machine, like an i3 with an old 660, and he ran this game and it was running flying past 60 frames. So I'm totally happy with that. So that tells me right there with hardware that on the lower end that lights, I mean, I could bake it, but I mean, I'll probably get a performance game, but I don't think. I'd love to be able to run this game on just like say an Intel integrated graphics. But I don't think I'm going to spend that much time optimizing. If it's running that well on older hardware, I think I'll be okay. Basically, I try to take the Steam hardware surveys average PC and shoot for a couple tiers lower. And I think I've hit it. I think. Almost done. Come on, render the glyphs. This is taking much longer than I thought. Sorry everyone for watching the loading bar. This was not by, I thought it'd be way faster. Come on, don't tease me. Hey, why did this open? Missing, okay, that's fine. That looks a bit fuzzy. Ugh. Well, we're gonna use it anyway. Save as. We're gonna call this Slim SDF. Oh, is that why? I shouldn't have used SDF. Well, we're gonna try it. I'm gonna call this one outline. And we'll hit save, because I'm gonna change this to an outline. Cool. So if I can... Why does this keep opening? Weirdest thing ever. So if I go to that text which I'm on, and we choose our outline. Goodness. Now I actually have to go to here. Ah, yes, good, outline, yay. Maybe that's why. So, it's been a long time since I've dicked around with this. So I'm looking for, I don't want to do a red. Thickness. Ooh, that's pretty, Can I do outline like, but on the outside? I can do lighting. It's so long since I've dicked around with this. Click to close. Well, actually, let's just see what this looks like. Straight up. Can't make this bold, can I? Well, it doesn't really do anything. Yeah, bold just cuts it off. Hey, hero, how are you? Okay, let's see what this looks like. That should help cut through any white or very washed out backgrounds. Should, being the operative word. Play from selected, move our player to there. Ooh, ooh. Why does that look so shit? Wow, that looks awful. What happened? What if I take the outline off? It still looks like shit. But why doesn't it look like shit in the editor? Looks like garbage. I don't want any softness. Dilate? Okay, let's go fat. What does a fat look like? Why does it look bad in the editor? Or look at that, it looks like dog shit. Let's zoom in. That's weird. Debug settings? That's really weird. When I generated the text asset, it's probably, see, I wish I remember the fecking settings. Wonder if I can dick around with them in here. Come on, move over. Go. If I do 32, apply, is that gonna break it? Oh, wow. Okay, well, maybe. Static is fine. Let's go back. Let's change the outline to 5.5. Oh, it just makes it look really... Ew. Oh, it's because I have dilate on, that's why. Haha. 0. Let's take our outline. Still looks odd. Let's just see if that did anything anyway. I hate Text Mesh Pro. I don't hate it. It's awesome, but I mean, sometimes, man, generating text assets is sometimes a nightmare. Yeah, see, it still looks kind of like... So let's look at it on the back. Like, it doesn't look as clean as it does in... Why? Like, if I change this font right now to this one. Oh, I have to next frame over. Yeah. That's it. I mean, it's still kind of jaggedy, but again, it's way cleaner. Why that is? Is it a scaling issue? Oh, there we go. Why was... Yeah, see, that's... Actually, you know what? That's fine. But again, we have that problem with the white. This looks way better. I had no idea they made that setting low resolution aspect ratios. Oh, so it's to save. So it's... Oh, I had no idea what that button did until now. So this is actual... Oh my god, the game looks so much cleaner now. I thought it was a quality setting I had wrong. It's just in the build. Okay, so now it looks like it does in a build. So that actually, look, that's fine. I'll just keep that, because even through here, even with the light on it, you can still tell. The only thing is I just have to make sure that the icon is far enough out from, so it doesn't get clipped. So yeah, I made that text for nothing. All because I didn't realize that stupid button. I've never realized what that was. But it basically takes her... It's like it cuts it in by like a quarter. Like it takes the resolution that you want, and then it cuts it down by like, wow. Well, at least I know I don't need it. Some sans serif. Material preset. Yeah, it's only the one material. Cool. Okay, so now let's do some code. In our use item script, let's find out. Yeah, let's item information. Okay, yeah, it is in here. So this should be a cheap and cheerful one. This is still kind of, nah, it's okay. So indicator image here. So I need the, right now I'm changing this to green. I think somewhere I thought I was. No. Must be the use item. Derp. Where are you? Where are you? You're in here somewhere. I'll find you. Where are, item info. Jeez. So in here, yes, this is where it changed. So instead of changing the color, we're gonna leave it white, but I'll just turn on the text. So now I need a reference to that stupid text. So I will pass it in through this. So here, turn on use, use item. Wait. Yeah, no, that's right. Use item text. And here, I don't. Ah! What the fuck? There we go. So in the item information, I need a reference here. It's just easier to get it here. I need it to be public, unfortunately. Public text mesh UI indicator. I'm gonna call it indicator text. There you go. Now this is a child of this indicator image, and then indicator text equals indicator image dot get component in children. Text Mesh Pro. Now hopefully that works. Should work. Yeah, these are very simple. Okay, so in the use item. Boop. Oh, I need a reference to it. So we're gonna call this why do I indicator in sorry, my brain fart indicator text. So this grabs it from, well, that grabs it from there. Oh, did I just, oh, I'm an ass. Okay, yeah. Item info. Dot indicator text dot enable, no. Dot, I shouldn't say enabled, game object. Dot set active. It's true. Yeah, I should have just cached the game object. I wonder why I did that. So I can get rid of this. Instead of turning it back to white, I just make it false. Just to see. Now the other thing is, actually, is that all I really need? I think. Now I'm gonna get a ton of errors until I add this in, add each of the into the prefabs, but just to see on this one. The green was there just to let the player know that they're in range, but if, I mean, this is, I think this is better for the theme. Put it this way, other bigger games have used this, and it fits. It looks and feels right. Now again, I'm going to get a ton of errors being thrown here. Well, actually, no, I shouldn't, because the player shouldn't be in range. It should be okay. Oh, there's one there actually. Play from selected. Play from selected, and move our player, and okay, so they're there, and if I get close enough, use item, back away. So once use item is up, I can actually go to the inventory and use my item. Okay. I think that's a good indicator that something something needs to be used here. It's not just informational. I think. I hope. Okay. Now what's the range on that? I think I might make the use range a bit, yeah, because right now it's a bit, yeah, I might make the use range like maybe here. Anyway, the range will be different for each object. So that's good. I mean, it seems to work. Now, the really shitty part about, thankfully, all I need to do is I can go under each one, because I wish you can't drill down without a plugin. You can't drill down in the Unity project file to make the changes to the prefabs that way. Now this text, oh, that's fine. So I always, what? Yeah, there we go. Oh, 200 and 0. There we go. Nice, easy numbers. So quarantine, security gate, security door, canvas, you need one, burning car. See, the burning car is gonna be a bitch. Because just the color of it. Security door. Lock? Oh, that one doesn't need one. That's not a, ooh. Is this a puzzle? See, I am gonna, oh no, so far so good. Yeah. And that's the puzzle. Okay, so yeah, so here's some of the use items are puzzles. They're not just item and So, I mean, I can just make a bool saying is puzzle. I think that's probably the easiest way to go. Bunker hatch, fire obstacle. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so let's copy this or duplicate it. Bring it to here. We'll duplicate it again. Bring it to this is the burning car. The lock we don't want. The fire obstacle we do. And that we do. Let's copy this. Then we'll edit the script in a second. Cool. Oh shit, well, yeah, might as well just for my own sanity. I mean, my project's messy enough, but I might as well make small attempts to try to keep it somewhat clean. Fuck's sakes. There we go. So the puzzle itself, so let's go back in, and this is just a simple so actually for the you know what, I can keep it for the puzzle. I just can give it a different message saying I don't want to call it puzzle though. Like, what would be a good message if anyone's still listening? So for obstacles, for example, you know, like the car where you get up there and you have to pry that cone out. You need to use an item from your backpack, so use item makes sense. For a puzzle, like I don't want to put do puzzle. Like, should it be I don't know what to put it. I don't know what to write for it. I guess I could write puzzle for now, but like it just doesn't really seem to fit. Like it seems like it's one of those fourth wall things where like what would be appropriate? Interact. I can use interact. Solve. Ooh, solve. That's not bad. I like that. I like that. Okay. Okay, yeah, so you know what? I will use them for that. I'll just change the text message. Text message, excuse me. I never knew they did these. Sub mesh UIs. It's pretty neat. Okay, so let's find you. So let's put you on there. Duplicate, and I believe you go on that one. Yeah. Paste that component in values. And this one, the message will be, we'll just go to solve for now. Solve, just to see. So actually, yeah, let's go to the security gate and find out. That should be over here. Yeah, right there. It's right behind it. Where is our transform moving device thingy? And pause, play. You can provide a message. What's the thing? Like, you can provide a message if they attempt to use it without. Well, that's what I mean. I don't want to tell the player straight out of the gate, like, hey, like. I mean, I could. I want to do everything I can to not kind of force feed them the information. Not that that's force feeding, but I can't think of a better term. But again, I'm looking at games like, say, Resident Evil, where, God, that's so much cleaner. Like Resident Evil, where like you don't get that kind of like you're kind of forced to look at the clue and look at what you have in the bag and determine. You could try everything, but like you'll get a error sound effect if you don't have the actual bag. So if I get close, so it says solve, perfect. And if I get close enough to use it, actually, how far is close enough to use it? There. Yeah. Okay. I just got to make sure that icon's. Okay, that actually works. Like I said, as soon as you see the text pop up, you realize that you're in range to use it. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna. The tedious thing is I'm gonna have to go into every single scene and move that canvas out of the way so it doesn't get obscured. Now, what I should have done, instead of using world canvases, I should have done a, was it like a is it viewport to, sorry, world point to viewport point. The math can be really complicated sometimes. Ugh. It's easier when it's straight on. Like if it's like my last game had it a little bit, but it was like a straight, you know, you're looking, this game you're looking at weird angles all the time. The other game was like, it was straight on, so it was much easier to calculate. But yeah, I mean, so I like this right now, the proof of concept. I'm happy with it. It's much better, and it gives the player more of an indication that, hey, something needs to be used here. I still might even change the icon. Like instead of the arrow, I still might change it to something else. Like I have a backpack icon, but it's, I don't know. I don't know. Again, I don't want to hammer it in. I think once in the tutorial, I'll try to do a better job of explaining, or not explaining, but like introducing that, so to speak. So all I have to do now then is go to each, hey, here. So, oh yeah, it's fine. Oh, is it fine? Canvas. Oh, you're facing the wrong way. 0. There we go. So this one should be, oh no, what? Where is the actual game object itself? I'm just worried about it turning. We can do this one straight out of the gate. So all these other ones, they're not use items, they're just items. So I shouldn't have to do anything to them. Yeah, let's just play it and see. Just want to see what that one looks like. Morocco! Thanks for checking in, man. Kenvir, how are you? I can't believe how much of a difference that stupid button made. Everything looks perfect now. It matches what the build looks like. So I gotta collect all this crap. There's one over here, I think. Oh. I got a null exception. I don't know what that was. Let's find out. So if I go to the hatch now, use item. So here I can use the jar of grease I got. Oh, also that's the other thing too. I wanted to turn up the opacity on these icons. What was that null reference? Oh, which one was it? Ah, I missed one. Damn it. I missed a few. Sewer. Oh, you don't have one. Actually, that's the other thing too I should probably speak about is the exit triggers or colliders. So say like you want to go into the sewer. Normally you just click the button, like you right click on it and the thing will pop up. However, I found, oh, sorry, I didn't see your message there. I'm okay, I'm good. I'm currently bashing my head. I've been bashing my head against this game for too long, and I just want it out. But I can't ignore some of the people who were gracious enough to test it for me, and the majority of it have given me some quality of life stuff that really should be there. And after some very painstaking consideration, I agree with them. As much as like, even though it's going to be an absolute truck ton more work for me, I agree with them. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm trying to make the game more better, but from a usability, not so much of mechanics. But yeah, I forgot where I was. What was I saying? I love it when chat derails me. I'm not blaming you, but it happens so much. My train of thought's just gone out the window. What was I going to say? I don't fucking know. Oh yes, the sewer. So like instead of say right clicking on the sewer and all of a sudden you get a pop-up that says, would you like to enter the sewer or whatever it is, I want to do it so that because where the player has to hold down, like say hold the right mouse button down for maybe a second and a little like dial would come up around the icon, only because I found that sometimes when you're in the middle of fighting, say spiders or something, sometimes you accidentally click. When you're trying to move, you click and you move around the sewer part and you go to click again to move and it actually activate that thing. Like, and so I figured if I add some sort of a hold timer to it, and I can even put a little like icon above it like I did here, this says hold. And like I said, the indicator will fill. And then at the end of it, the thing will pop up. I think that'll be better. It won't be long, but like, all people like, I hope all people like me too. I'm a very likable person. For the most, I'm sorry. I'm very agreeable to a certain extent, But I try to be nice. I don't need people to like me. I'm not that guy. I'm not needy in that respect. But I try to be as pleasant as I possibly can. So thank you for your vote of confidence. Out of curiosity, I just want to see this. Okay, never mind. This is just me playing around with the editor now. Okay, so yeah, let's finish. Let's do these ones. The sewer entrance, we don't need you, but here we do. So canvas, image, duplicate you. Why you no duplicate? Go here. And I think you're still on this, I hope. Yes, cool. I should do all this from code. Make all these little indicators prefabs, and then just instantiate. I don't want to instantiate shit. Anyway, I think it's the last one. So now that works good, I shouldn't say good. Now that works great. Let's check out the sewer canvas. So this one's going to be a bit different. This one, because this is controlled by the cursor controller. I know that sounds dumb to say, but it's true. Where is the cursor controller? Cursor controller. So basically, if this determines if I click on it, what does it do? So it is a player item, right? The sewer. It is a player item. Okay. It's a player item. Interact. And sorry, I forgot. I haven't looked at these. Scene exit is what I'm looking for. Scene exit. Here. So all it does is. This is going to be a hard one because this is a single click. Right? This is a single click. Because if I set it here, yeah. Oh wait, yeah. Oh no, it's get down. I should just get key. This will be fine. This will work. This will work. And copy. Just in case I fuck it up. So we just want get key. And then that will, ooh. Fuck. Because this will be for all of them. Let's just call this constantly. We can't have that. Okay, so here's what I can do then. Oh, shit. I just realized I thought it was going to be way easier. But it's not. So let's go to the scene exit script. Where the fuck are you? I lost it. Hello? Oh, scene exit. So it calls exit level. So if I'm close enough, it calls exit state. So here, I can throw in an update, right? And then if I, oh no, I'll throw it in here. So for scene exit, let's go. Oh. Bull. Trying to exit. False. So I'm gonna need a bunch of things in here. So if, oh my goodness, trying to exit equals true. True. Oh my good God. And I fucked that up as well. I can't type it all today. I've been on the keyboard all day today for work, for the, you know, the normal job, and my fingers and brain are not talking to each other anymore. So if trying to exit equals cool. Equals true. Jesus Christ. I can't speak. So we'll make that here. True. We can go if input dot, oh my God. Get key down. Now, how did I do it in here? Just being curious. I know I changed it up. Ba-ba-ba. This is what I wanted. So it's the 0 version of it. I wrote my own input manager. It was just easier. Now this might not work at all. Smooth Baby, how are you? Thanks for jumping in. I love the name. Some of the names people come in with, some of them are absolute gold. Like Smooth Baby's pretty cool. Some of them are absolutely crap. Like one guy or girl, it was just all like capital consonants and vowels mixed together, just gibberish. And I'm like, hi! Why do I have static ref? Oh, it's gonna static refs. I'm stupid. Oh, you're bored? Well, I wish I could be more entertaining. Like woozle waddle. Can't. Sorry. Coding streams are hard to make entertaining. If you want to get stuff done. If you don't want to get anything done, you can make them entertaining because you can just dick around. Anyway, what's going on here? Oh yeah. What happened? What happened here? Oh yeah, because I don't have any fucking conditions. Okay. I need another one of those thingies. So while that's true, if we're holding it, we're holding key, getting the key, then this is where slider starts to fill. Just finishing math homework so I don't fall behind on working. Well, I mean, forgive me, and I know viewer count's important, but like, should you really be watching Twitch and doing your homework? I know I could never do that. I could never study with the TV on or something like that. And it's not even with me like getting distracted and watching the TV. It's just the noise of it, the audio of it would completely break my concentration. So if you're able to do that, fucking fair play to you. I'm not. So while this is happening, if the slider starts to fill, and then if the slider is filled, then do the pop-up exit thing. So I need to, I don't even know if I have that asset. I need like a curve slider. I can make one. Yeah, so let's just put the references in anyway. Scene exit. This won't be too bad. Do I have UI? I do. So public slider. It's gonna call slider. Fuck me. Like, doesn't matter. Slider. Or do we want slider? No, we don't want a slider. We want a image. Image. Fill image. That's what I want. Not a slider. Fill image. So here we are going to go image.fill amount plus equals time.delta time. And then yeah, so that'll start the filling. And if it's not, so say we let go of the button or we're not pressing it, then our fill amount goes to 0. Equals 0. And our trying to exit equals false. What is this game going to be about? Hold on a second here. Caretaker is a dungeon crawler style title taking place in a modern day world. With focus on narrative, puzzle solving, and combat, Caretaker provides a dark story in the most awful of circumstances. It's awful. Take Resident Evil, mix it with the visual stylings of like Minecraft, and make it a point and click. Kinda. That's what my game is. Just easier, because I can never get the words out. I would always ramble, so I'm like, oh, let's record something. Hopefully I'll get into a little bit of gameplay. I'm just trying to get some quality of life stuff in. So we go if fill image dot fill amount equals 1. then we call this here. Exit state, and I believe that should be true. True. Whoops. Oh, no worries. Sorry, we'll follow. I want... I want you to poop in my shoes. I think that's something too. I really like. I don't expect like the. And again, I'm probably going way off from what you had mentioned there, but like all that merch stuff that I do have up, whatever. I threw it up there. I don't expect people to pick anything up. I mean, the best way for anyone to support me would be to, you know, wishlist the game on Steam, the Steam page, join up on the Discord, just the easy stuff. The stuff doesn't cost money. If you want to, you know, there's tips or the merch. A few people have bought some hoodies and stuff. I need to buy some more anyway. But I should have those on there. Well, maybe like, you know, the characters, I should put them on with little funny sayings or something like that, because it is, yeah. Hey, Sentry. Now, no, I don't need to get rid of that. Okay, so that in theory should be fine. I don't need to call this false because that will happen if this is open. You can just click on the old button-a-rooney. Yeah. Oh, fair enough. Okay, you know what? Everyone that's in chat right now, if you're on Twitch, click on Mojadin, if I'm saying his name right, and give him a follow. You can unfollow after my stream. I'm just kidding. Don't unfollow. Give him a follow. Let's follow share. Oh, okay. Just kidding. Thanks for the follow, Mojo. I thought you were already following. I thought you were. You've been in here a few times, haven't you? My on-screen wolf? What did it do? Overlay? Oh, wait, can I make him pop back up? No, it's a spider. That one. Oh, is that it? See, it went over my head. What for me? I'm burned out, sirs and ma'ams. Okay, let's try this. Cursor controller. Oh, I don't think I changed anything of importance in there. Well, if you come to stream like... Oh, that's weird. I stream everywhere, Smooth Baby. Well, not everywhere. I stream in Facebook, YouTube, and well, D-Live too. Not a lot of hits out of D-Live. D-Live's kind of it's niche. It was free to do it, so I'm like, why not? Why wouldn't I? Okay, so for the sewer, we need on the image. Oh, you're from YouTube? Oh, all right. Really? Did I not? I sent it to everyone. Yeah, it went through. Oh, whatever. I don't know. It doesn't matter. So on this image, we need another image. We're gonna call this fill image. Now this one, I don't think I have a rounded sprite, but we might just use a circle for now. Oh no, actually that's not true. I should have some sort of, I thought I had a circle outline somewhere. Do I? I thought I can make one. I swear to God I did. Where are you? It doesn't really matter what I use. I just thought I had one. Lame. Why don't I use that? Because that'll hide the balls. Stick base. Well, let's just use the white border box for now. It's like at that moment when you... Oh, weird. Ah, look, whatever. It didn't work, it didn't work. No big deal. Okay, so fuck this. I don't want to sit here and is it designer I need? It might be designer. Affinity designer. I haven't used this in a while. How much RAM do I use when coding? Well, see, I always code with Unity open, so with the project, like right now, no, I don't want to download a new one. Let's go to Task Manager. Okay, so right now, streaming, well, let's just look at Unity. Well, it would have to be Unity, so right now it's like, what, 3.5 gigs. But to be brutally honest, there's a lot going on in here. Like, this is probably, code-wise, I wouldn't even consider this. So, like, I don't know, a gig. And Visual Studio's a hog. Like, there's tons of other programming applications that you could use. Oh, sorry. If you want to see that way. So I'm at, right now, with everything that I'm running, and you gotta remember too, OBS, because what I'm doing right now is I'm recording, I have replay record on for OBS, so every 5 minutes it's recording the last 5 minutes, so that if I want to save the last 5 minutes, I can just grab it from memory and save it to the hard drive. So this number would actually be roughly, probably 10. That's why it looks like it's so much. So it's probably 10 with all the stuff that I have running. Anyway, sorry, what was I doing here? Oh, I gotta create a new 500 by 500. There we go. Got a friend that codes web-based. With that, he uses over 16 gigs. Wow, really? That much? Maybe, look, obviously I got off lucky. So we want something along that line. Let's make it a bit bigger. Whoops. This doesn't have to be perfect, but I want it, you know, somewhat. 490. That's fine. Oh, actually, whoops. Come on, piss off. I want to make sure it's centered. Hey. There we go, centered. So let's take the fill and make it blank. What am I doing? Oh, fill. And I'll take the old stroke-a-rooney, make it white, and make it fat. A fat stroke. Oh, shit, that means I'm gonna make the circle smaller. Bastard. Let's take you. Let's go 450. I should have done that. There we go. That's roughly what I want. It'll just fill from the outside. I can soften it a bit, but I'm not going to. What if I make that fill a bit more? That should be fine, right? Yeah. Yeah, and then let's duplicate it. Hey, I said duplicate. And this one, we're going to make it ever so slightly smaller. If I can find it. So that'll be, oh, not smaller, thinner. So that's 30, so let's make this one 20 or 25. There we go. You'll see why in a second. So that's the 30. Okay, so this one, let's actually make 30. Nice even number. So if I uncheck you, file, export, it's fine. We're gonna call this fill image 30. This is PNG, yep. And fill image, oh shit, did I? Oh, sorry, that's wrong. Fill image 25. Oh, did I save in the wrong? Oh, I did. Saved it in downloads like an idiot. So this is in downloads. Why would it save to downloads? It's just dumb. Let's go find it. Cut. Supposed to save here. The appropriate folder. Paste. Boop. Cool. And let's move these into Unity. Sprites, UI. Now let's leave in fucking sprites. Hello. Ah, they're there. Okay. Let's make them sprites. Yep. Cool. So, security gate door. No, what was I doing? The sewer fill image here. So, do I need a background? Well, we'll try it first without the background. Raycast target. No, this will be a filled one. You better show up in here. We'll try 30. Try the fat boy. We'll leave it white. Oh, first of all, it's way too small, so we got to make this image much bigger. So let's go 200 by not that big. That's not centered at all. Now, see, the only other thing is this security. No, where is it? This sewer entrance. That's going to be bobbing up and down, so that's going to look weird with it. But we'll still try it, and I should probably make that bigger. So it's nice and easy to see. So we want to go from 0. No, so we want to go in the other way. We want radial. No, that's right. Oh, clock. That's what I was looking for. That's what we want, like that. Whoop. Cool. Oh, and I suppose we should go back into the code too and make scene exit. Fill them out. Make this equal 0. If it has a reference in it, should. There we go. Okay. I don't know if this will work. I hope it does. It should. Oh, Okay, so I also have to edit this, so we might actually. This is again. I need to test this out. So public void. Try to exit. It won't do this. And actually, we're going to borrow this. Yeah, we're going to borrow this. Okay. Whoops. Put that there. And we'll get rid of you for now, because that's the old one. And let's go back to the cursor controller. Find. Interact with the. Instead of scene exit level. Copy this. Just in case it doesn't work. We're going to go try to exit. Cross our fingers it works. Let's save this. Yeah. Oh, I probably should fill image. Okay. Let's try this. Let's move our temp testing position over to the sewer. Right there. Pause, play, flowchart, because it's dumb. Where'd the music go? Did it finish? There we go. Bunker. Play from selected. It's the only scene I have to do this in. Okay, where's that? Oh, fuck, of course. Aha, you bastard. I completely forgot that was there. Why is that camera on? Sorry, everyone. Because let's go to the other side. Just want to test this out, you daffy bastard. Might not work at all. I don't know. Might have completely broken everything. Play from selected. Hey, there we go. So if we get close enough, Whoa, see, it's playing to move, so... You know what I mean? Enter sewer, no. So the only way to leave... You can't just click on it and that stupid thing will pop up. You actually have to hit and hold it. I think that's... So this way, you know, if you're walking to it and you're holding it, like you'll see the indicator. I'm hoping this is better. I'm not sure if anyone else wants to chime in, but like Sundry, I'm not sure if you've ever done this, but like if you ever like clicked over by the sewer to move, you'd automatically get the pop-up and it would be annoying. Or if you're fighting and you're trying to, you know, kill enemy. But at least now I have this thing on it where if I want to leave, although see the whole thing, the walking thing is very annoying. That's the only thing I might need to change. Now let's see if I try to stop it halfway. Yeah. Never had any. I've done it a few times, where like I was trying to move and my mouse would just like move over this, and then the pop-up would come up in my face saying, "Hey, do you want to enter the sewer?" And I'm like, "No, I just want to keep moving." So I put a little timer on it. Hopefully that will. But right now it's kind of, because if you do want to, and you click on it, your player still moves. It's not. Yeah. How fast do things load? Well, let's find out. Three, 4, 5, 5-ish, 6 seconds, maybe on the high end. Oh, I don't have any. I don't have any ammo. I don't have any weapons. I can't kill this guy. Yeah, I think I addressed that before. I think if for some reason some of the fade out speeds, yeah, they were just not correct. Okay, so. Oh, thanks very much for the follow, Sebasrami. Sebasrami, I hope I have that right. Very much appreciate it. So player movement. Where's my player? I don't even have it up here. Good enough. Where is my click to move? Click to move. Boop. I just want to see if I can. See, it's this part here. It's this whole stupid line. I don't say stupid line, but like, I can't ignore unless I just give them. I could put the scene exits on another layer. I think that would fix it. I think it would fix it. So if you're clicking on, see, it's a tag. What's my cursor controller do? To check for, yeah, see, this is checking for a tag. Well, I can always, add another one in. Instead of player item, I could add it in for, because that's looking for player item, which is fine. Player movement's looking for, 17. Oh, that's the obstacle one. Huh. I wonder. Is it that simple? Do I just need to... Where's my stupid sewer? If I change the layer... Oh, it's an interactive puzzle. I'm going to change it just to see. I mean, it doesn't make much sense to have it in the interactive layer thing. I might just make a whole nother thing, but well, I said thing a lot, and I skipped a lot of nouns that probably needed to not be skipped. Oh, the game's already saved. What am I doing? So if I'm here and I'm just going along... So I'm just going along, and then I click, I hover over it. Oh, can't go any further. So the only annoying thing about that is if the player's just kind of going, I don't know which one I like more. Because if I see it, if I click on it, the player's not going to try to move towards it. But if I'm just humming along like this, and the mouse clicks on it, the player stops. I don't know. It's hard to gauge. You know what I mean? Because that would also be annoying too if you're running away from an enemy or something like that. And all of a sudden your mouse goes over it. I don't know. I would expect... I'm trying to think about what, I'm trying to think about how I want it to feel. So if I'm running around... I knew what that was. Coroutine error has target? Assertion failed expression? I don't know. So if I'm running around, I would still want to kind of go to it. Like, I wish it didn't stop the player from running. I guess I can't have it both ways. It just felt really bad the other way. Like if I take the sewer, where the fuck are you? And I change it back to, was it player pickups? Fucking leave it on default, doesn't matter. I don't think it matters. So you know what I mean? Like now it'll be fine. But if I want to actually use the sewer, I have to literally go right up to it. Because if I'm over here and I try to use it, it just, yeah, it doesn't. Actually, that's not, hold on a second. It's not until you actually click on it and hold, yeah, but see, you still try to move. What's the nav mesh look like for this sewer? That's an obstacle. Oh, wait, why did I make this? Let's make this a capsule. Just being curious. In radius? Oh. Oh, because the game's paused, sorry. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, I can. Yeah, let's just try the capsule. That might actually help me here. I click on it, that's fine. Okay, no. So if I'm over here, it's not bad. It makes you actually click on it, which is fine, but it still moves the player there. I don't know, kind of feels weird to me. I think it needs an outline too. That's fine. If I go here and then I click on it and hold. Well, I guess if I hold, even though I'm not on it, yeah, it's still going into the sewer. No. That thing stays there though. That's annoying. Okay. We can fix that right now. I see that as a nice little goofy bug that I never saw before. Here. Where does this get to false? So in player stop. I'll just set to false too. That's weird. Thanks so much for the follow, Dunkel. Very much appreciated, man. Or girl. Well, I'm going to... Should I leave it as interactive puzzle? No. I'm going to bring it back to where it was before. I'll leave it like that. It's just... I think what it needs though is this. Let's go back in, because I think right now you can try to exit from like halfway across the screen, and that's not cool. So right now we have, this is gonna go bye-bye. Ah, so distance to highlight item. We don't want that. We want to be right up on the mother effer. So that's why. So I need a exit distance. That's why. I wonder why I use that. Oh, Uncle. I've just seen your guide about the APC. Oh, and I thought it was. Oh, thanks so much, man. Very much appreciated. That's I mean I made that over a year ago at this point, and I'm still getting people asking questions and making comments on it. So it was a video I decided to make in like a day before, and you could tell by the quality it was pretty low res kind of stuff. But yeah, people are still asking me questions about it. So I hope if you do decide to do it, I hope it works out well for you. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't had my head in voice meter for a long time. I have moved on from that piece of software, but it did everything that I wanted it to do. So again, very much appreciate the hitting that follow button. What do we want? A public float? Actually, no, we'll go. Let's leave it float. Float. Exit distance. What am I doing? And this needs, I don't know, 5 arbitrarily. So player distance is less than exit distance. Do that. Now the only thing is, oh, okay, the quality was really useful. Oh, good. Fair enough. Good. I tried to be as thorough as I could. Like long form content is hard to do, and I winged it. I didn't have any notes. Like I knew what I wanted to show, but I didn't have any notes as what I wanted to say, and I probably stammered a lot and rambled on a good bit. But I'm glad you got what you needed out of it. So I hope, like I said, I hope it works out. It was good. I ended up selling my APC Mini. I sold it maybe in the summer. Somebody really needed one for music production, and they just couldn't find one at a reasonable price. I'm like, take mine. Okay, so the exit distance here. Now, if I do this, that means the balls. That means this needs its own in here, like the use item script, which is fine. It needs something like this. Yeah, it basically needs this right out of the use item, but this will have to go into the scene exit, which is fine. Player distance, really? I don't have player distance? Oh, because I made it a float here, didn't I? Let's cache it then. And this will be exit distance. This doesn't need to be float anymore. And actually, I don't even think I need this. No, I don't. I'll have the player distance at the time of clicking. So if my player distance is less than or equal to my exit distance, then we want to turn on the indicator text, which I'll make. And then else we're going to turn it off. Yeah, okay. So indicator text. Yeah, okay. So that means I also need, oh, it's a text mesh pro, so it should be fine. So let's just copy this one here. Duplicate. Duplicate. Let's bring it to here. Actually, let's copy this. Let's see if what that looks like. It's a bit. No, it's gonna go up higher. Unfortunately, 250. And instead of saying use item, this will say hold. Yeah, hold to exit maybe. Is that too much? See, that might be a bit small. Can I truncate? No. Let's go hold. Hold should be fine. Okay, let's try that out. Now, do I need to cache this? No, I don't. Cache reference it. No, I don't. Yep. Give this a go. See, I'm still moving. That drives me. Oh, then. Oh, yeah, no, it's fine. Just this hold. New people in here? Yeah, it's a good few. You're right, Sundry. If anyone wants to, thank you, Sundry. You're very good. Oh, it's a new. Post up the link. Oh, sorry, it's the whole store. I thought you meant it was one specific cool asset. That's good to hear, because someone got their tax return. This guy. Anyway, if anyone wants to join up on the Discord, at the end of every month we do a community game night, which is usually a blast. But also you get some insight into more of what's going on with this game and when more beta keys, stuff like that, are going out. And you can also wishlist the Caretaker here if you want to. Hopefully you do. You can also playtest an old survival mode version of it if you'd like to get an idea of the combat. So right now, so if I click, see, I'm holding it. If I have to click and hold, I don't know if I like hold. No, I'm gonna have to put hold. Because people are, see, that's the thing. I have to teach someone how to use this in the tutorial. See, that doesn't feel right. Like, I don't know. I can't get this to feel right. Oh, fair enough. It's too small. Why can't I get that to feel right? See, they stupid. So when that's basically what here's what I want to happen. You should still be able to run towards it, but as soon as it says hold, right there, if I click on it, the player shouldn't move. So that's what I need to figure out. If I click on it now, I move towards it. It's fine, but it just looks weird. Like, functionally it's fine, but it just, the player shouldn't move, and that should go away. Very annoying. Let's take a look at the player movement bullshit code again. What is this? I'll start roll. So it's this here. Ugh. Yeah, good call, Sandra. Yeah, share it if you can, if you got a link to it. I don't mind people sharing links at all in stream, as long as obviously it's nothing awful. I mean, I know it's subjective to a certain extent, but you know, no bad sides, people. So, like, I don't want to do a... Should I just do a check to see if you're clicking on... Like, I don't want to put a condition in here that says if you're hovering over something with a scene exit component and you're within its exit distance, then don't move if you've clicked on it. Like, I'm gonna struggle with this now. Made for Game Design Master? Cool. Oh, wow. That looks pretty good. That looks really good. Fair play. That's a cool looking game. I might actually at the oh, sorry. Come on, move. Here we go. At the end of the month when we do community game night, I actually might play that. What? Oh, did I? Oh my god, you're right. That's the front page. I thought it was a link to the actual game. I'm so sorry. Sundry, I am not in my form today. Is it called Snakes in the Grass? Okay, is it this one? I know, man. This one here? It's really creepy looking. I hope it's this one. Looks pretty cool. Oh yeah, I'll give this a play. Detective immersion in the where it was right. Okay, yeah, I'll give that a go. At the end, so what she well, so the 30th, it'll be the 28th this month. Will be community game night, 28th. So yeah, I'll play that on the 28th for sure. Man. So you go 5. How do I do this so that the player, if the player's in range of that? Oh, not equals 1. Hold on a second. Can I do this from here? No. I don't want to keep putting fucking nested if statements in here. Come on. Because this is pretty much the only other thing that I don't want the player to be able to move on. Like basically it would look like this, and like if hit dot collider dot game object dot compare tag, no layer, no game object get component. Again, this is rough. Scene exit. Dot exit. No, is it exit? Try to exit. No. What is it? Trying. Oh, is that not a public? Oh, just out of morbid curiosity, just to see what the stupid shit code would look like. Trying to exit equals true, or sorry, equals false. You know what I mean? Then like, then nest that in that. Like that's basically what I'm looking for. I mean, that's shit right there is what that is. I can just do a return. No, if this is true. Just testing this. This is morbid curiosity. And then this would be else. Oh, else if, excuse me. Oh, that's ugly. That's disgusting what I just wrote. Disgusting. But it does what I wanted to do. It's just horrible. guess I can cache them all, but like, no, I can't. Oh, why did I do it this way? Because I'm a dick. What, don't pause. Come on. I'm clicking the button. So you see, so now if I'm oh, no instance of an object? What? Did that save it? Oh, right. Oh, wow. Just again, just to test this. Yeah. No, I'm not going to test this. This is dumb. Fuck. Okay, Sundry, so here. I might as well show you. Fuck it. Again, I was just seeing if I could force feed just to try to get a feel to see what I wanted it. Oh, this actually let me move. Oh, the player's all fucked up because there's no weapons. So basically, I'm not even sure. Does this still work? Yeah, okay, so if I'm running up to it, if I'm running to it, that's fine. But as soon as I get within that hold range, I don't want the player to be able to like run around like that. If they're clicking on it. If they're clicking on it, I don't want the player to be able to move. But if they're over here, they can click. I want them to be able to click on it and move towards it. But once they're within that hold range, if they click on it, I don't want them to be able to move. That's basically, yeah. Because right now, if I'm here, I can move to it. But once I move to it and then I click on it, well, sometimes it's fine. If I go, say, here, like you know what I mean? Like it moves me away, and I don't want that. It feels like it's broken, and it's because the sample position is so high. You know what I mean? Like, there's no way. It's just the way that the movement script is. Like, 1 is too small. What if I went? Oh, see, changing this value, the radius, will have huge implications. Why not make a bool? Okay, I'll follow. Is allowed to move? Well, I mean, if I go back up here, where are you? Click to move. So I already have one. Like, basically, this is what lets the player. These are the conditions right now that let the player try to move. Well, no, I definitely wouldn't want to disable the movement script, though. I don't want to disable the script. Like, click to move is where it does all that jazz. So if I put a, like, is allowed to move. See, the problem is, so say I get in range, right? And then, you know, is allowed to move is false. How do I get out? How do I leave? That's the problem. Like, I can stop the player there, but then it's like... Because it's only when I'm... Oh, are there any other defining characteristics of that stupid fucking sewer exit? Well, basically, it's the scene exit. Because it just doesn't feel right. So it's a player item, but tons of other things are playing. The only other thing that's on this that nothing else would have would be the scene exit script. Oh, well, wait. If I do, say I do another raycast in here, right? And if the raycast gets an object that has a scene exit script on it, and that script is exit is true. No, but that means I won't be able to leave the radius. You know what I mean? Like, I can get to it, but how do I get out if that's the case? Oh, no, hold on. Again, this is, ham-fisted. Hold on. I just want to borrow this. Watch, again, proof of concept, right? Oh, did I not define those? Oh, I did. I put them up here. Again, proof of concept. I'll have to figure out a better way of... Okay, so we're casting it out, right? If my hit transform dot get component scene exit, right? So if what we're hitting is a scene exit, has a scene exit script on it, right? That's fine. Oh, so let's say it has a collider. Yes. Good call. Why didn't I think of that, Sundry? You're a fucking genius. Yeah, because that way it's going to be really fucking chaotic. Okay. So first, I'll just throw it up here, right here. Void on mouse. Is it hover? Mouse over. Oh no, exit. Yeah, sorry, you're right. Exit, enter. Okay. Enter. Ah, Jesus. And then we need void on mouse exits. Okay, so fucking Sonny, that makes so much sense. Good fucking call. Cool. Yeah, we'll do this. Is allowed to move. I don't even need to declare it. So on mouse enter. Wait a minute. Yep. Scene exit. Boop. Yeah, I know it's in the wrong script. I know. Whoops. Ah! I'll put it down here. So do I have a reference to the player? Oh, I'm sure I do. I need a reference to the player move script because... Oh, hold on a second. I'm gonna clean this. I mean, again. Jesus. Okay. Player, so it's another bool. Player move control. Do I have that reference? No, I do not. Do I have a static ref for it? Yeah, I do. Look at that. Player movement dot is allowed to... Oh, sorry. Equals false. True. So in here... And is allowed to move equals true. Yeah. Holy shit, that might actually work. That might actually work. Let's find out. Now I do need to. I need to make because this is this is a weird one. On changed from scene exit script. Definitely gonna need a note from that one. That's a weird one to have. Okay, let's see if that works. I mean, if that works, it's great. Oh, but wait. No, that's not it. Almost there. If trying, oh, for fuck's sakes, trying to exit equals true, then do this. If trying to exit equals no. Ooh, yeah, it's true. Okay, just true. We'll get there. Again, it's funny that rule that, like, you know, the last 10% of your game takes 90% of the time. It's so fucking true. Because I know, like, this is not like what I'm trying to do tonight isn't an absolute 100% necessity, but I really do believe it'll add, especially the use item parts. I really do think that'll add to the flow of the game by the human player being just more able to know what they're supposed to do and when they're supposed to do it. Okay, so, oh great, I can't move anywhere. So if I hover over this, okay, can't move. Oh my god, I think it's working, Sundry. So if I get close here, oh, why did it move? Okay, so hover over it. Hover it, press pause, move mouse. Oh, continue. Yeah. Because I think when you block that raycast, I think it also calls on mouse exit. I think. But hold on, I had a weirdness bug there. So if I'm here, that's fine. That's fine. So, but what? Say I'm running at it. Okay. Oh, see, why did I move there? I have to make sure. Okay, so this... It's still fine. It's fine. And actually, I don't need you. And I don't need you. I definitely don't need you. Oh, wait, what is this being... What's the reference to this? Oh, I do need that. Okay, because it's in the use item script. Okay, go back and keep that. Because if the use item... Yes, the use item would want to just automatically let me leave the level. So let's leave that in there. Called from use item script. And this one is called from cursor controller script. Okay, I think that's good now. Wow. So there's going to be a lot of micro adjustments I'm going to need to make, because now that each pickup item, or sorry, now that each use item or obstacle, whatever you want to call it, now has text in it, I need to make sure that the indicator, when you look at it 360, it doesn't get clipped by a door or something like that. So I need to move them out a bit. Unfortunately, there's no way to make the text shader draw in front of everything. I wish there was, and maybe there is. Actually, hold on. No, because the material itself that it's using can't change. I'd have to change the shader, and that would actually break the text. So there's no way for me to force. Actually, well, let's look it up. Maybe there is a way. Hold on. Unity sometimes surprises you. Text Mesh Pro. Draw over. Sorry. World space. Draw over objects. Yeah, so the other layers that were created in Unity layer should show up in the list of available layers. Distance field overlay. But I think if I change that layer, if I change, it's this, and I've done this before and I fucked up bad. I think if I, where are you? No, it's not there, it's the text. Distance field over extra settings. Forget where they are. No. Either way, no big deal. No big deal. Yeah, so I have to now go in. And that one's fine. The fire obstacle, this one will be a weird one because there's... Jesus. I'm hoping this actually isn't in... What? Oh, the editor is all buggy again. Look at that. Move. Oh, it's fine now. So let's port the player over here. This is gonna drive me insane. By the way, Sundry and anyone else who was on the last stream, I fixed the, I'm not sure if you remember the hulking. Oh, weird. The hulking zombies were just kind of disappearing. It was because they weren't set to kinematic. So, boo on me. They're all fixed now. But I still need to fix the logic for the actual, oh, hold on a second. I need to fix the logic for the horde, the way the horde work, because it's too easy to just kind of like scoop them up, like as in like kite them around. They just get into this big mass and it's not really fun anymore. So I need to figure out a way of maybe a horde controller or something like that that always forces them to keep a certain distance from each other. So let's see what see the fire one. Oh, why can't, oh wait. You know what it is? The player movement script, I stupidly put the default as allowed to move to false. So you can't even see the canvas in the fire. I mean, like, Jesus. Yeah, that was dumb on me. I just want to see if you can actually read the damn thing. Local. Put it there. Still can't read it. It's kind of there. I just have to put it more in front. So like right here. See, in the flames, it's a bit... You could still kind of make out what it says. I still might put a background on that text. But yeah, you can't really read it there unless you turn to the side. Yeah. Okay. Copy that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go through every single text obstacle. And I'm not gonna do this on stream because that would be very boring for you watching me sitting there and just. So the other thing I wanted to do, and now I completely forget because I'm a zombie. Oh I'll remember in a second. What is it? Base component values? There we go. Oh my god, did I have it written down? No, why would I have it written down? Oh yes, sorry, the items that go into the backpack. So basically all of the UI key items. No, where's my UI? Oh, level prefabs. The opacity is not, it's too dark, or sorry, it's too translucent. That's what I'm calling key items, health items. They all need to be changed. So all of them need their normal color set a bit higher. So what are they all at now? 125. So if I set them at, say, 175 should be more than enough. Press color, that's fine. Oh, it's got to do them all. Okay, and so that was, what did I say, 175. So health items are the same. I hate how the editor is, for the alpha, it makes you adjust between 0 and 255. But when you're adjusting it in code, it's 0 to 1. It drives me nuts that it's that different. Weapons, I think the weapons were fine, but we'll just make everything consistent. Yeah, I think that's fine. Okay. So now that that's done, nice and simple. Save that scene. Oh, shoot. Bunch of exit hash. I will need to make sure at least one of these is a fucking prefab. Yeah, apply all. Come on. Wait, use item. Oh, it's the ID. Wow. I made so many changes to this. Wow. Wasn't fucking anything up. I really do need to move all of these prefabs into their own separate folder. So they're all there. Hospital entrance window? Really? Now, ooh, really? This isn't even a prefab? Wow, good job. I'm finding these all over the place, and that makes me very sad. Level prefabs. No, this is the hospital section. Might as well put it in here. Key obstacles? No, I'll just throw it in there. I'm gonna call it sewer entrance. Because this one is different than the other ones. There we go. Hospital VIP ward. Also. Oh. Come on, where are you? Key obstacles, hospital section. There we go. Okay, so at least I have one to pull from. Yeah, open scene. Sundry and everyone else. One thing that I'm not sure if it was you who had requested it, but yeah, let's save it. Was that when you pick up previously, if you say you picked up one item right after the other, you wouldn't really get a notification that you picked up the second item, and I believe I fixed that. At least I hope I fucking fixed that. First, is there any obstacles in here? I just want to make sure before I start this. Player level objects, key obstacles, fucking sewer entrance. Yeah, I need this. gate. Does this have a user? Oh, it does in the puzzle. So this I'm gonna have to change the, yeah, okay. A couple of these I'll have to change up. So let me borrow, I forgot where I put the fucking sewer. Oh, maybe, yeah. But so basically I've added a way to cache the, actually if I can just find some weapons. And you just let me know if it looks half-ass okay. Oh, it only lets me use one at a time, doesn't it? You motherfucker. Not revolver. I already have the revolver. Rifle. So it'll keep caching all the way down. Like, generally, though... Why are these not on or something? Why can't I see them? Why can't I see them? What the fuck? Huh? Oh my god, that's the fucking UI. Let's say, what happened? No, I don't want the knife. So I'll get arrows anyway right now because of I don't have the obstacle things ready to go. But so if I pick all these up, hopefully we'll be able to see on the side of the screen. So now everything kind of comes up in its own. So you get a chance to see what you've actually picked up. It only really happens with like if you have ammo next to each other and like health packs and stuff like that. Sometimes when they're close clustered, you'd never know what you've picked up. And sometimes in there you might get like you might also pick up a use item or a key item, and you don't know you have it in your bag. So I think what I'll do is if it's a key item, I think I might change the red text to like orange or yellow so it really stands out, some sort of indication that hey, you picked up something important. Yeah. But anyway, again, money, a tiny little quality of life crap. Yeah, so I know these are exceptions, you fucking bastard. Maybe it was Hugo. I can't remember. So I've gotten so much feedback and I'm really happy for it because it really saved my butt. I never would have thought of half the stuff you guys have. So I'm just gonna put the burning car here just so I can borrow this. Text. Duplicate you. We're gonna duplicate you. Okay. And you're gonna go on the you're gonna have to go there, aren't you? Yep. Okay, so I can get rid of the burning car now. Oh shit, it was 0, 250, 0, yeah, that was the case. See, this one might clip. Maybe not. Now this one, I can't put use item on the gate because you're not actually putting anything on the gate. It's the puzzle that you have to do. So I need some sort of what can I write in here instead of use item? I need to like, you know, what should I write there? Instead of use item, it should be I want to write do the puzzle. Interact, yeah, maybe. That's what I was thinking too for the puzzles, right? Interact, because right now the puzzle one just says solve. Well, in fairness, actually, technically, I just, as long as I have one on here, I don't have to actually write anything. I can just like delete it, and that's fine. This won't throw the error. And then on the puzzle, where's the canvas for that? Oh, there it is. So if I duplicate, I put you on the canvas there. Oh, sorry. This will be right now. We have it. It says solve. I know it's backwards, but it gets flipped around. So I like interact better I like interact better. But I wish there was a shorter word. Maybe I can just put use. Yeah, use. Instead of use item, then I can just go use. So that'll maybe be more of an indication that, oh, I'm actually physically supposed to do something with this. I think I might just do that. And then, yeah, the gate, I can just leave. I don't have to put anything on the gate. Because does this, oh, wait a minute. This doesn't have. This is one of those weird ones because the previously the puzzle had the use item script on it, I believe. I think. Oh no, no, that was fine. Never mind. No, the use item here. I was trying to remember how we had it. The use, where the fuck is it? This one? Where's the use item script? It's here somewhere. Oh, it's the gate here. This one, this use item is linked to the other one. I'm fairly sure. We'll test it out anyway. So the sewer is going to be a nightmare. Hospital section, sewer entrance. Let's just pop you here. It's kind of funny. I can borrow that canvas. I need to borrow both of those. Drop those onto the sewer image. That's a 000, thankfully. Ooh. It's weird. Canvas is 002? Is it 001? 13. No. It's weird. Canvas. It's really weird. Don't worry. And then the text itself is 0 to 50, 0. To 50. The image is 0. That's better. And this is still a scene. This says a scene exit. Yes, it does. Okay. And before I forget, no, I think I might have fucked myself. Player movement is allowed to move. It should be true on start. So I can get rid of you now. Come on. Oh my good God. And I think I just need to add in fill image. Yep. Okay, military gate. It's the gate itself. You have text. I'm just gonna real quick play this. Play it. I just want to see if I get any errors thrown. Okay, wait, hold. Oh, wait. Huh. What the fuck? Oh, because I clicked yes. I must have. Now, why? Player item, default. What's the problem here? Let's wait. First of all, that's way too high. Fix that. Now, what was the issue? Don't I have something wired up? See, why am I still able to move? Huh. That's so weird. Trying to exit is false. Where's my player? So if I hover over, player movement is allowed to move is true. Is allowed to move is false. It's not changing to false. That's weird. Player move. It's getting the reference. Yeah. It's weird. Come on. Oh shit, I'm not maximized, that's why. Oh, it shouldn't have to be. Yeah, it says mouse enter. Yeah, so it's being called, but how come my player? Is allowed to move still isn't changed. Oh wait, cause it's trying to exit. So it's my cursor collider or my cursor controller is not, it's not under interact. So is it not under player item? Do I not have this marked as a player item, the sewer? Can't find the fucking sewer. Oh my god. The editor is fucking slow. No, it's marked as a player item. What is stopping this? See, trying to exit's not being. Now it is. Where's my static references? Player inventory. Player. Player health. Where's fucking player move? Player fog, player minimap. Let's see, am I missing a reference here? Player health. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that's right. Does the game up with the script also have the collider? Yeah. Sewer entrance. Yeah, it's got a big old box collider on it. Oh, someone call it with. Oh, is that what? Okay, hold on a second. No, because the one at the hospital was a box clutter. It wasn't a trigger. Because again, like it's being called mouse enter scene is being like it's being. Where is it? See, it's being fired. Mouse enter scene exit. Why am I? Weirdest fucking thing. Nothing's changed. The same script. Scene exit. Did I not save something or? I think there is a... okay, looking at this here, I think maybe we're just getting lucky in the other scene, but so when the cursor clicks on... when the cursor clicks on it, essentially, like it looks like there's a bit of a disconnect. Not a disconnect, but like an order of execution. So you know what I mean? Like that was fine. Whoa. Why did that... what happened there? I said no. What? Why did it restart the scene? Scene exit, scene index to exit to. Hold on a second. Do I have this? The sewer. Oh, it's 7. But I clicked no. Yeah, no kidding. It's all falling apart, man. But like... level scene end. Yeah, that's fine. Cancel button though. Oh, do I have these mixed up? Cancel and... hold on, cancel exit button. I might actually have these mixed up in the static refs. Okay. I think that might be why. Where are you? What did I call them? Sorry. Cancel scene exit button. That's right. Yeah, look what happens. Enter the sewer. No. Reloads the level. With that closed. Like, what scene am I in? Like, where the fuck did it just move the player to? And why did it do that? What the hell? I hit no. Obviously, I have something referenced wrong in scene exit. Yeah. Down here. So if I click no, just removes all the listeners. Does no, hold on. Does no have its own thing? Yes. For some reason, no. Some reason, no. Has these on it, and I don't think it's supposed to. That's the problem. So if I go to, let's just temporarily save this, and let's go back to the bunker, for example. I don't think it's supposed to have those on there. I just don't think they were updated. Scenes, let's do the bunker, and it's the restart check in the player info canvas. Player info canvas. Glad I found this now. Restart check. No. Yeah, see, it's not supposed to have... it's just... yeah, it's not supposed to have those second options. I don't even know why those exist there. So if I do this, then we update the whole fecking canvas. All. We go back. Hopefully, it will have removed them. Yep. Save it, sure. There we go. Okay. Phew. Fix that bug. That was a weird one. So now if I go to it, even though it's still not working. Look at that. If I hit no. Yeah, nothing happens. Good. Whew. So it's working now. No, it's not. Why? Wait, maybe is the collider just too small or something? Is it really just that? It looks like. Looks like. No need to spike the ball, sir. Let's copy this collider here. And we'll drop it right on this one. Just for shits and giggles. I think it, maybe it's not hitting it correctly. Or I could be completely fucking wrong. Let's drop it on you. It's like the same. Nothing's changed. Well, here, I'll show you. Need a haircut? My haircut? I mean, I know you can't see. I got headphones on, but my wife has got so good at cutting hair. So happy. She practiced on the little boys. The first few months, man. Oh, they looked awful. They look sick. So if I'm close, okay. Oh, see, I'm still trying. See, I'm still like I'm kind of moving, and I shouldn't be. Like that's not working. That's fine, I think. Hold on. I paused the game. So at this point, player movement. See, is allowed to move. It's supposed to be. Oh, you can't see it. Is allowed to move. It's supposed to be false. So it's just something weird going on, man. Cursor controller is calling. Try to exit level. And if I'm. Oh, wait. Did I set the exit distance? Is that a public value? No, that's fine, because the exit distance, you'd see the text. Okay. So if trying to exit is true. Yeah. I click on it. Start wearing a hat at all times so my hair doesn't annoy me. Well. Do you have anyone that's, do you have any family members that you might trust? Like, honestly, back, even though my mom wasn't a hairdresser, I would still kind of trust her. I mean, you're not going to get professional hair cutting. Not going to happen. But, no harm in doing it. Just ask a family member that you trust. Okay, we're gonna debug log this. Do it yourself. Fair enough. And we're gonna debug log in here. I know this part works. Oh, I guess that's the other thing. Hold on. Could test this. I'm wondering if there's something, is there something else on the sewer that might be blocking the raycast? As in, like, where's the sewer entrance? Is there anything else in here? Is the canvas? Actually, that should be world space image. Well, that would do it. Text should not also, the text should also not be a raycast. I wonder if that's it. Oh, fuck. I'm still in play mode. 2 months? Yes, it's a world space canvas. No, well, yeah, they can. Believe it or not. Image cannot. So I'm thinking what might have happened is they were, yeah, they can. I believe they can. There's no harm in turning all the shit off anyway. Let's try it again. Because there's a block raycaster thing on it. Actually, I should have just turned them all off, to be honest. Oh, bit of a freeze there. See, look at that. I'm still... Yeah, why? Okay, let's take a look at the console here. Try to make it bigger so you can see. Well, it's not now. Either way, it doesn't matter because I've turned everything off. So on mouse enter is fine. Trying to exit is true. So trying to exit is true is being called. However, this is not. I think this, instead of mouse enter, this should be on mouse over. I think that might be my issue here. No, I understand that, but I think it's... Look, we'll see if my goofy fix here does it. Oh, let me just go full screen for this. The editor is being a prick tonight. Again. Oh. Look at that. Why? I haven't a clue why that's the case. I can enter. But I'll show you again, Sandra. Look, I'll show you again. Oh, wait. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, no, it's fine. So it's back to the way it was. Fuck me. If we can just get this right, I'd be happy. Finish the evening. Christ, all fucking almighty. Oh, editor. Look at that. Editor. So... I'm right. Okay, on mouse enter. See, I can still move to it. I don't want that to happen. Oh wait, or maybe I do. Yeah, but okay, so you see what I'm saying? Like I'm like I shouldn't be moving over. You know what I mean? Like sometimes it's fine. Like if I'm running over like this and I get to it and then I click. No, even then. Why was it working in the other scene? So I think maybe if I take this. Oh, wait, did I change that in the cursor controller script? I really wonder. Back up here. No, it's still get key down. Okay, it is get key down. That's fine. But why was it working fine in the last scene? So anyway, so yeah, so that's the issue I'm having. So it's calling try to get exit, and it checks to see, okay, if I'm within, then trying to exit is true. Good. But if my cursor is already in, you know what I mean? If my cursor is already within it, but it would have to be. Kinda, yeah. Well, look, we can we can test this theory, and I'm gonna call I'm gonna type something a little bit more appropriate here. This one, we know on mouse exit works. I know that works, but we're going to go here. We're gonna say, actually, let's just get rid of this. It's allowed to move as false. Yeah. Oh, check movement again and update. Here. Is allowed to move as true. Then click to move. Yeah. And I'm going to unmaximize it so I can read this here. So if we go to it, look at this. Every time I get to that one particular spot, trying to exit is true. But see, player, the other one wasn't being called. This didn't get called at all in that particular case, because it's mouse enter. Why wasn't mouse over working? What was it? Because as long as my mouse is over and I'm trying to exit, I don't want the player to be able to move. No? Oh, actually, sorry. The only thing on mouse down is this up here. Technically, this is on mouse down. That's what this key does here. There is stuff after the if and update. Oh, yeah. Well, this just stops the player. This is just stopping. That's all that does. Oh, it's in click to move. Here. So that's, sorry, that's for the roll. It's here. This line. But again, I don't think this is the issue. None of this at all gets called ever. The fact is, if we look and watch the player script if you can. Look at this box here. Is allowed to move. Okay, now it's off there. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I left. I'm an ass. I changed this, and I shouldn't have. Should be almost down. There we go. That's what it originally was. That should affect anything compiling. So again, player right here is what you're looking at, is allowed to move. Okay. So right, come on, right there. So if I click on this right now, is allowed to move should be false. And it's not. But again, it shouldn't. There's nothing to tell the player to move unless click to move is... Unless this is called. This is the only thing that makes the player move at all, ever. Now, here's the order of operation problem I'm seeing. So try to exit is called first. So when basically this is called when I click on it. If I've clicked on it, that means my cursor is already in the collider. So my mouse is already... Oh, I'm on mouse down. Oh my god. Is that... Because it should be... Is that why? I still think it's broken, though. I still think it's broken. I think because I didn't change anything when we got into the scene and we were having that issue. I'll just make this full screen again. See, I shouldn't be able to move. See, I can't tell. You know what I mean? But here's what I think is the problem. This is only called when I already click down on the sewer drain, right? By the time I already clicked down on it, my mouse is already entered in. You know what I mean? So it's like... Yeah. I think it's an order of operation issue. But yeah, this is called when I click on the sewer. But it's like this is being called before this. I think that's the issue. This is being called before this. So, how do I don't want to say reverse it. So when I click on it, I want to basically start the process trying to exit. Also, I should put an else statement in here. Make that false. Just in case. My good God. So... Why don't I also put this in here, Sundry? But it still doesn't change the fact that no. Or it needs to be somehow it needs to be reversed, and it can't be because I need to interact with it first. Shit. You can get rid of try to exit, I think. Well, see, if I get rid of this, like this is basically my entrance to the script for my cursor. Hey, level 41, how's it going? Thanks for jumping in. Yes, Andrew. So like this, like my cursor, when I click on it, this is what my cursor controller calls to interact. Like basically, it's my doorway into this script. It's what kind of starts the whole process. The whole point is, I don't want to. I don't like once the player is in range to be able to exit. I want them to be able to interact with that sewer without moving. But I also want them to be able to get out. So if the mouse... It's a weird one. What button? It's my move button, my player move button. The player move button is the same as the interaction button. Because if I change it to the other button, like the left mouse button, that means if I'm next to it and I'm trying to shoot an enemy, that will go off. So it needs to be that player move button. Or yeah, it needs to be the button used for the player to move around. I know it'd be easier if I just set it to its own different button, but then it would be just... It wouldn't... I don't know. It'd be weird. Why was this working in the first scene? And again, what actually, out of morbid curiosity. Oh. On mouse. What are my on mouse options? And why won't it show me them? Hold on a second. Try to exit is called from the cursor controller. So when I hover over a player item, or in this case the sewer, and I click down on it, it calls this interact function, and the interact function calls the try to exit. Ah. Oh wait, why can't, instead of... Huh. Hey Dev. That's the thing though, in the cursor controller... Good night, sir. But like, there's no bugs in this. This is it. There's nothing to bug. It's this. There's no other... Nothing else in here ties to any sort of player movement or transition. But again, it's the order. This is being called while this has already happened. The order, you know what I mean? It's like I need... Well, I wonder... Okay, so... If I switch that... Why don't I just switch it up? Hold on. Why don't I just do this? On mouse over. Do this one. we'll take this and we'll put that in here, right? And then we do try to exit. Let's let me highlight this out or comment this out. Is this public? Oh, I was gonna try it. It might not work at all, but I'm gonna have to, if this, my brain is fried, it's getting late. Oh, did you clip it, did you? Good night. Nice. Thanks for clipping that. Kind of made me feel a bit better. Let's see. Oh. Again, Sandra, I don't know. That's Heisenberg. See, that makes me move. But why is it moving, though? Like, why is that letting me move? Because that works, but it's still letting... Why is it triggering the... Hold on, let's just do this then. Wait a minute. Sorry, Heisenberg. It's like a sorry guys, my brain is not where it should be. It's like a it's slightly, ever so slightly mentally. It's kind of a few berry kind of flavorishness in it. It's like a tropical icy kind of a flavor. It's not bad. Well, hold on. Let me see. Fuck this. Let's just do this. I want to see what's going on here. Debug .log is allowed equals, what's this allowed to move? Every fucking frame. Let's just see. No, I'm just tired. I'm really tired. That one's lemon tart. No, not an emotional way, just tired. Physically. I suppose, yeah. So is amount, yeah, so that's true. So if we go to this, now this is collapsed, right? Yeah, it's collapsed, good. See how is allowed to move got called false, why? Why did my... Hold on, is that the whole problem? Is allowed to move is false? Oh yeah, no, that's right, actually, sorry. But why? false, but why did the animator get called? I don't know. Yeah, now I'm like I switched them around, so. Yeah, well, like I said, I just switched out. So instead of on mouse enter, that's been. I don't know where the reset comes from on mouse exit, but I don't know why on mouse exit's getting called. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna click on it now. It's almost as if when I click on it, is allowed to move as false. But why was I able to move? It's getting called in. No, it's like, is it getting called in late update or something? I don't know. I don't know why it worked in the first scene and it's not working here. I don't get it. I don't know. Well, actually, let's do an order of operations here. Let's see. Let's see what's being called and what order it's being called in. Oh, you mean wait, huh? Don't group them together? What do you mean? Oh, you mean collapse them. Sorry. Okay. Well, okay. Yeah. Yep. I got you. See, the problem is see how click to move and is allowed to move as false are happening in the exact same frame? Which is actually, it might make sense. But sometimes it's like, sometimes it's fine. Let's go a little bit further out. Still registering. Yeah. Okay, maybe let's think about this from the ground up. I need to interact with it from the cursor controller. I can't get away from that. But let's get rid of this was here. This is what we originally had. this. Okay, we can get you. So, trying to exit this, fine. On mouse enter. Sorry, I'm just trying to think. So the order of operations that I need to happen is I need to be able to hold on. Doing on mouse enter. Basically, when the player is in range and you're clicking on it, I don't want the player to be able to move. That's all. So wait, again, why can't... I don't understand why this doesn't work. On mouse over. If... Fuck. So if my mouse is over and my player's in the way, what? And trying to exit equals true. So if my mouse is over it, because then the only way this gets turned on is from this. So I'd have to click on it, which means my mouse is over it. If I'm within range, I want that to happen. That's it. I need both of those. I don't get why. Let me check the player script. Well, first off, this shouldn't be and. I guess it could be and. I'm gonna say or. I guess that wouldn't matter. None of those are affecting it anyway. Save this. The editor's being funky. Yeah. See, that's fine. I don't mind this. If I've constantly, but it's when I'm in range and I click. Hold on a second. Is that why? What happens if moving is? What happens if moving is false? What do you mean by resetting? Like, the only thing that tells the player to move, that they allowed to move, is when the mouse exits again. Once I click, so here, what do you mean resetting? Like resetting what? Resetting what? I don't understand. Resetting this? Resetting this? I'll try to exit. I guess I should put that in there too. If trying to exit is false, yeah, okay. Because if I'm clicking on it, but I'm still further away, that should be. Oh, okay. I was thinking here in the player, for some reason, the player moves script. What happens when the player stop? Player set float forward. So player stop. Why? That's weird. Hold on a second here. Why isn't this being called here? Just being curious. Why isn't that? Ooh, no, yeah, I want to do it in here. I'm just going to throw this in here just for good measure. Just to see. I wonder if that's... That shouldn't be it, but... Is it? Yeah, you see him kind of micro judder? Boop. See that micro judder? Why? Like, that solved it by stopping the player, but it... Is the cursor controller giving the player a nav mesh destination ever? No. The cursor controller does check a nav mesh, but it doesn't, oh, sorry. It does use it to check to see if you're hitting the ground, but it never, it only basically determines what kind of cursor it shows you to indicate to the player that they can move or can't move there. It never sends a position at all, ever. And nothing in the interaction scripts, nothing is gauged on the player. No, it's look, I understand. I'm trying to figure out the order of operations here. Trying to figure out when and where and why that's being called. Oh wait, did I name that wrong? Is allowed to move as false goes there. On must enter. Oh, I'm gonna get rid of this. I think I'm just... Sorry. Get rid of this click to move. Is allowed to move as false. Do I have that being called in both? Is allowed to move as true. Okay. See how it goes to true to false again? As soon as I click it. Bam. So as soon as I click it, it's going to true. Why? When I click it, on mouse exit is being called. Why is on mouse exit being called? Oh, true. Trying to exit true. Boom. Trying to exit true. Oh wait, it's trying to exit. Fuck, I'm an idiot. It's fucking right here. Ah, look. No worries. I'll be dicking around with this for a good while. I'll just have to figure out another way around it. I don't know. Huh. For some reason, there's like an anim jump. Like this has made him stop running in place. But like, what does the animator even get? Oh, there. Is moving is true, which is up here. Yeah. Oh, what? What is it? What? Say it. Say it. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, I need an interface, don't I? I point, what is it? Thank you, event system. I pointer enter. And then I need, oh, that's not it, is it? What is it? Oh, I need them both. Oh, sorry, good call. Alt enter, is it? Oh, on pointer exit. Ugh. Huh? Oh, sorry. Jesus Christ, I'm an idiot. Wasn't sure what the fuck it was. Okay, So, what do we want to throw in here? So instead of on mouse, oh, with control. Oh, fair enough. So we want to throw this into on mouse. Same shit as before. Okay. On mouse. Oh god, because I changed a bunch of stuff. So this was on mouse enter here. So let's exit out of that. And this is on pointer enter. I thought this was only for like UI stuff. Exit is this. And try to exit. That's the same as it was before. No, again, I'm just curious. I don't know. I've so rarely used them. This is an old one, so just put a fucking term. Hey. That's fine. Should work, okay. All right. Still, why the hell did it work in the first scene? Oh, wait, hold on. There's one more thing, because I changed some shit in here to force feed it to work. So I added this in. Again, force feed it. I mean, it's trying, oh shit. Those pointers debugs aren't getting called. Yeah, they're not getting called. Balls. And there's no way for me to do, no. Why can't I do it all in the same script again though? Hold on. Like, you know what I mean? Like, why can't I put it here? I guess, what am I putting up here? Wait. Why don't I just... Instead of putting it there, so when I click on it, trying to exit is true. And if trying to exit is true and I'm holding it down, I'm not allowed to move. And then here... Just again. And the only way trying to exit becomes... No. The pointers weren't being called at all. None of these were getting... None of those were getting called. So do I even need mouse enter now? Only exit. So right now, here's what I've just done. I click, okay, so I click on the sewer. This gets called. Trying to exit is true. If I continue holding it, because now that like trying to exit is true. Now that I'm continuing holding it, I'm making, if I'm holding it down, the player's not allowed to move. If trying to exit is false, let the player move again. And it's false by the mouse exiting I can get rid of these. It's false by the mouse exiting that. So I don't think I need mouse enter. Let's try that. See next. Oh, sorry. I gotta get rid of those interfaces. This might break everything as well. I don't know. This will pretty much be my last attempt here, unless one of us has an epiphany. Oh, my backup plan is running. Nice. That won't fuck anything up. Ah, it's still doing that though. See if I go here, it's still letting the animation run. No. Okay, wait then. Okay, so then if that's the case, why don't, because that's what player stop is supposed to be, like all this is covered in player stop, so I don't know why I just don't call fucking player stop. But let's put that in there. And the speed is this. That's what's fucking everything up. That's what's making the animation change. But if I don't want my player to move anyway, those should be in there. No, he's not moving, I know, but it's just weird because the animation was changing, which is the weird part, and the animation was changing because I was changing the player's speed. So, might be onto something here. I was see that little hop? Boop. See that little glitch? Like it works, but that little glitch happens. So if I'm holding it, if I'm doing this and I'm holding it, nothing's works. I haven't clicked on it yet. But as soon as I click on it, I get that little glitch. But what is that glitch? What is that glitch? It's like this is somehow letting that happen for a microsecond, for a frame. Don't know why. Like when is it allowed? I know, right? Fuck. Okay, wait. This should also be false here too. So if I click on it, and I'm within range, it should automatically start that process. And if my mouse exits, I want to be able to move as well. Okay. It's like one frame is getting through of the player trying to move, and then it's fine. I feel like it's just the order of logic. We have what we need. It's just, I can't believe we spent an hour and a half on this. So if I get really close, right there, I still get the fucking frame. Ah. It's, look at that. Nope, I can't even catch it. It's so fast, I can't even catch it. If I go to the player animator, I want to see what happens, if I can. No. See, it's jumping. Do I have a number in here? Yeah, see the speed. You can see the number here. It's changing to 6 for a microsecond. Yes. Well, it'll be the sewer and any. So say you've finished off the hospital and you're in the hotel area. If you're going back, I also want the player to hold on to the to hold the thing to go back as well. Basically, any scene change where you're not doing a use item. That's I want this. I want it. Fuck. Dude, when I click on this, this is also happening. This is also happening. So no matter what I do, I'm never gonna be able to get rid of that. Yeah, look, no worries. Sorry I kept everyone so long. Yeah, you know what? Oh, I should pull this. Good call. I'm gonna fight with this a little bit longer because why the fuck not? But we'll get out of it. If anyone out there is still with us, Jesus, and likes what they saw in any way, shape, or form, please smash that follow button, or subscribe, or hit the bell, or share, or comment, or do all those wonderful things that you can do. For all those that were new tonight, thanks for jumping in. And if you came off one of my previous videos, thanks so much for that. Join up on the Discord for news and fun stuff that we do end up doing, I promise. And you can wishlist this game that I'm currently fighting with on Steam currently. So thank you all very, very much. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, stay productive, and overall, most important of all, sorry, don't be a dick, because we have too many of those in this bloody country. Thank you. Sorry, planet. Thank you, everyone. I can't even speak. Thank you all so much. And I'm going to go before my face actually just goes like this. I'm gonna do like a